Recently I have posted a reel and many of you have asked me about how I made those transitions. So here's the tutorial. First you require two apps, VN Video Editor and any background remover app. Second, select the video which you want to have transition. I have selected a long shot and a close-up of same building. Now open VN Video Editor and start new project. This is your timeline. Now freeze the frame where you want to start the transition. The frame should not be more than 1 second and delete the remaining part. Now take the screenshot of second video and open this in background remover app. Crop the screenshot. Now I want to make 3 layers of this image. So first one is the road, the second one is mid part of building and third one is top part of building. Now erase the other parts from image with pencil tool and save 3 images for each layer. In VN editor now select picture in picture mode and the first image. Keep this image length up to freeze frame. Now add keyframe at 0.4 second and slide down the image at starting to make pop-up transition. Now add the second image at the second keyframe of first image and do the same keyframing as first image. And do the same with third image and your transition is ready. Now add the transition between two videos. I am using zoom transition. Also you can add effects to the images and also the sound effects. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share this video as much as you can.